Thank you everyone for coming to this video. This here is Midnight. Midnight was about 8 years old and got hit with a very sudden yet sad and tragic condition of saddle thrombus. And saddle thrombus is very painful to most felines and all felines. And what it is a underlying heart condition that will travel through the cat's body from the heart, and it's a clot in the heart, and it will break off into small pieces, and it will actually get lodged in the V section of the hind legs and will give away, and cat has no use of its hind legs. And 99% of the time it's a fatal and irreversible situation that makes it so that the cat has to go under. This cat was loved. He was about not even 8 years old, and here I am holding him. You're going to see a video here very shortly of Midnight. I'm going to pause it and then continue when the video comes. I just wish that there was more research that could be done. And Midnight did have a sister. You'll see her on the left, him on the right. And I'm going to pause the video for a minute.
Where's Midnight? Is Midnight in there? Is he in there? Is that my Midnight? Is that my kitty?
He just fucking flew around.
Look at you go! Look at you! Oh God!
He just flew around in a circle in there.
Look at you, covered.
He'll do it again. He'll run and then he wipes himself off on your leg. Like...
Appreciate that. Come on.
We gotta get him to the vet though, because I noticed he's balding on the inside of his leg too.
Yeah. Midnight, you're
Come on,
silly.
dude, you gotta get here. He's gonna jump, Justin.
Look who's in there. What are you doing? Oh goodness, look at you. You're gonna rub all over me and get me all. Oh Lord. Look at you. I just raked that all up.
He buried himself right in there.
Midnight. Look at you, you're covered.
You're so silly. He's like...
And I just want to say, Midnight, I love you so much, and I will see you again.